Hello. Today's tutorial will show you how to check out a guest in Hospitality HouseKeeper. From the house register, find the guest that will be checking out on the calendar and select the guest. This will prompt the Edit Visit box to appear, and this will begin our checkout process. Now, there are two scenarios when checking out a guest. The guest owes money to the house, or the guest has overpaid. So in this case, we're going to take a look at when a guest owes money. So if we check the checkout box here, this will pre-fill with today's date. If you scroll down, you'll see that the house is owed as of today $130. We will see here that the pay today has expanded. We will enter in the amount that the guest owes. And if we select enter, or even if you click somewhere, it'll automatically populate the payment amount box to appear. We have options to choose cash, credit card, check, as well as invoice. If you're going to be billing to a third party, for example, like an insurance company. In this case, we're going to select cash, and we'll put in the amount here, so 130, and we'll select save. And I also want you to note that the same goes if the guest does owe money to the house, but they're going to be paying zero today. You just have zero here, and we're still going to select save. This will still check out the guest. So once you select save, check out, we confirm by hitting OK. Standard payment receipt will appear. The house is welcome to print it off and give it to the guest if you'd like. But that officially now has checked out this guest. If for some reason you made a mistake, selected the wrong guest, or maybe the guest is no longer going to be checking out, if you simply go back to that guest, you can undo checkout here. Just select the box. You will save it. Okay, and that will undo that checkout. So now that guest is still showing that they are in the house. There's also times where there are multiple guests in a room. So I want to show you as well, as far as checking out multiple guests, it's a prompt here. You can select all, and this will pre-fill both of them with today's date. When you scroll down, you'll follow the same process. The pay today has expanded, and you can follow those steps that we just looked at. However, if only one of the multiple guests is going to be checking out, so in this case, just Jack, if you scroll down, you'll notice that the pay today has not expanded. That is because Amanda is still in the room. So once Amanda checks out, then the pay today will expand, and then any amounts owed to the house can be taken care of at that time once the room is empty. Okay. So let's go back and let's take a look at the second scenario, and that's that the guest has overpaid. So let's go to Smith here, and we will select the checkout box. Linda Smith is going to be checking out today. We scroll down, and the difference here is you can see the guest credit as of today as opposed to the amount owed to the house. So in this case, Linda has a credit here of $50. So overpayment amount is 50. We have the apply to. So if we use this drop down, the house determines whatever options they'd like to have here. In this case, we're just going to do a refund to Linda. And if we select a refund, that'll prompt here. We've got the same options: cash, credit card, check. We're going to do cash, and then we will save. Ask us, do we want to confirm the checkout for Linda Smith? And we do. And again, standard receipt will appear for you to print out if you'd like. And that has now checked out Linda Smith. So that is an option. Those are a couple of different scenarios when you're checking out a visit. I do want to show you there is another option. If you go to the current guest tab here at the top, Scroll down and look for a guest that you'd like to check out. So we'll look for snow winter here. If you hover your mouse over action, we've got some options that show, one of them being checkout. Select the checkout option. And again, all the same prompts that we've already gone through. You select checkout, confirm that you'd like to do a checkout, and now that visit has ended. And if we go back to the house register page here, we will see that now winter has been checked out as well. So just another way that you can check out a visit. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions about checking out a visit, please feel free to ask on the user forum, which is located at the top if you select the flag here. I'm also going to include the link of the video description under this video.